Hello everyone, welcome to Totally Puzzled. So today we are going to learn about alphanumeric series in reasoning, which is most important topic for all competitive exams such as banking exam, SSC CGL, SSC CHSL, SSC MTS, SSC CPO, Delhi SI, and many other exams. So in all of these exams, there are 2 to 5 questions or 5 to 6 questions are there available in all the examinations. So we have to understand this alphanumeric series topic in the reasoning so that we can solve these questions easily. So this is not a hard or tough topic at all. So we have to understand all the basic things so that we can solve the questions easily. So today we are going to learn about alphanumeric series. So let's start it. At first, we have to remember something, that is how many vowels there are. So we know that there are 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, and U, and the rest of the alphabets are consonants. We already know that. And then numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And the symbols are, that is at the rate, hash, ampersand, percentage, and so on. These are the symbols, these are the numbers, and there are vowels and consonants, right? So, and we have to remember all other things, that is, if it said that A precedes B, that means uh, A precedes B, that means A, B. And if it says B is preceded by A, by A, then AB. Okay. If it says that B follows A, B follows, B follows A, that means AB. Okay. And the last one, that is A is followed by B, that means A, B. We can surely say that B is always after A. Okay. In these cases, obviously in these cases. Okay. Now we have to learn about what are the only alphabet series, what are the only number series, what are the alphanumeric series, what are the alphanumeric symbol series. Okay. So I am going to clean it just a minute. So if I write A, B, C, D, and so on, so this is called only alphabet series. Okay. If I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, this is called only number series. If I write this at the rate, hash, etc., this is called symbol series. And if I combine all of these, such as A, B, ampersand, sorry, did it wrong, ampersand, 2, 4, hash, and so on. This is called alphanumeric number series. As there is alphabet, there is symbols, and there are also number. Okay. So this is called alphanumeric symbol series. If I combine it, or if I write A1, B2, C7, and so on, this is called alphabet number series or alphanumeric series. Okay. And if I write 1 at the rate 2, hash, 7, and so on, this is called numeric symbol series. Okay. If I write A and then hash, then Z, then percentage, and so on, then this is called alphabet and symbol. So alpha symbol series. Okay. And there are many other things, that is, we can write A, B, C, Z, X, Y, G, H, M. This is also called a alphabet series. Okay. These are the types. I mean, there are many types. Okay. So these are the basic things that is that you have to know about alphanumeric series before solving the questions. Now we are going to solve about 5 questions so that we can learn everything easily. Okay. Oh, now the most important thing I forgot to say that this is at first I should clean it. Right? Okay. If in the questions they say that is left plus left, then the function will be minus. Okay. And the result, what will become as a result? Then this should be from right. Okay. Just note it down what I am writing on the screen. If they say right plus right, then it is negative, and from obviously. Oh, I did it wrong. 1 minute. This should be left. This should be left. And this should be right. I mean your right hand. Okay. Right means your right hand. And if they say says like left plus right, then the function will be positive. I mean plus, and the resultant will be from right. Okay. And they say right. If they say right plus left, then the resultant will be positive. I mean plus. I have to do plus or addition, and the resultant will be from left. So how can we remember by the shortcut technique? So this is the shortcut, that is here it is left. So we have to remember that it is left. This should be left. Okay. Here it is right. We have to remember this is right. This is right, and we have to remember this is right. This is left. We have to remember this is left. And the thing is that is when left plus left, that means same thing, then should be negative. Same thing, negative. But the opposite things, that is positive. Okay. Just remember that. Okay. So these are the functions. Now I am going to make you understand that what are the all these things. Okay. Just assume that this is a just I'm going to say going to write that is t, then at the rate, then 7, then ampersand, then 9, then e, then f, and so on. Okay. Okay. Now, if the question is what what will be the or which character will be third to the right and fourth from the right, third to the right of fourth from the right. Okay, just listen carefully. Third to the right, third to the right, third to the right of fourth from the left, fourth, sorry, fourth from the right. So here right, that means this should be our clue. Okay, then right and right we have to minus. Okay, or subtraction. Okay, so we have to subtract 3 from 4, that means 1, and 1 from right. So this is your right and this is your left. So 1 from right, that means A is the correct answer for this question. Okay, if it says that which character is second to the left and 7 from the left, second to the left or 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, second to the left and 7 from the left. So we have to subtract, that means 5 and 5 from the left. So this is the answer. 1 2 3 4 5. So 9 will be the answer. Okay. Now it says which character is second to the left of 7 from right. Okay. Now we have to add 2 plus 7. That means 9. And I said that 7 from right. So the last word is right. So we have to do this ninth from right. Okay. So here just there is only 7 character. Okay. So 7, so 9 from the right will be the correct answer. I cannot show you as there is only 7 characters I wrote. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the question so that you can understand easily. Okay. So this is our first question. Just a minute. Let me change the ink. Study the following alphanumeric series carefully and answer the questions given below. This is S, M, D, G, H, ampersand, M, star, and so on. How many alphabets in the above series are immediately preceded and followed by symbols? Okay, symbols. So there are how many symbols which is preceded and immediately preceded. So let's say ampersand. This is a symbol. So here should be before should be an alphabet. Okay. Uh, Alphabet series in the immediately and preceded by follow. Okay, okay, okay. Just a minute. I did it wrong. How many alphabets are there? Okay. So here should be alphabet. Uh, let's say this is A. Okay. And here should be immediately preceded and followed by symbols. So here should be a symbol. Just assume that this is hash and this should be ampersand. Sorry, percentage. So this will be our accounting in accounting. Okay. So uh, just just count from here from the left hand. So S is followed by 5. So S should not be our answer. D is preceded by 5, not a symbol. So D should not be our answer. G is followed by H and preceded by D. So G is wrong. H is preceded by G and followed by ampersand. So this will not be our answer. M. This one. Now listen carefully that M is preceded by ampersand and followed by a star. So M is our answer. So we got one. Now next move on to the next topic, next series. B. B is preceded by hash, but followed by 9. So no. K is no. L6U. Yes. U is preceded by percentage and followed by ampersand. So U is the right answer. So we got 1 plus 1, 2. So that means B is the correct answer. So we got 2 in numbers, which are immediately followed and preceded by symbols. Okay. Now next one. Study the following. Acha, which element is fifth to the left of the element of which is seventh from the right end? Fifth from the left element which is seventh from the right end. Left, right, left, right. So they are opposite. So we have to add them. That means 5 plus 7, that is 12. And the last word is right. So 12 from what? Right. So 12 from right, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means hash. Hash is the correct answer. So option number A is the correct answer. I think everybody got it. Next one. How many vowels are between the sixth element from the left end and fourth element of the right end? Here it is between, so we don't have to add or subtract them. Just count as it says. Sixth element from the left end. Okay. One, two, three, sorry, 4, 5, 6. That means from here and fourth from the right end. One, two, three, four. So here, are there any vowels? No. I think there is no vowels. Okay, no. So how many vowels? Okay, I think I did it wrong. Wrong options. Okay. So the answer should be none. Okay. Answer should be none. Next one. What would come at the question mark in the following sequence? Okay. Uh, let me write at first the sequence 5 G ampersand M star hash P 9 and dash. Okay. Now we have to understand the sequence. Okay. Then 5DG at first 5DG. Okay. 5DG. Then ampersand M star. So they skipped H. Okay. So there should be H, but they skipped. Okay. Now ampersand M star is done. Now hash B9. Hash B9. Okay, hash B9. So they skipped 7 and 8. Okay. They skipped 7 and 8. So at first they skipped 1. Now they skipped 2. Then should be they skip 3. Okay. Then KL at the rate is cross. Is not. So the next element should be 6. Okay. Oh yeah. Think same option I gave. 6. Answer should be 6. Anyway, I made it wrong. Wrong options, right? Please go for it. Anyway, I think you got it. Both of you got it. Next one. How many numbers are there in the above series which are immediately followed by symbols and immediately preceded by alphabets? Okay, okay. So how many numbers are above series which are immediately followed by symbols? Alphabets. That means A, which are immediately followed by symbols. That means there should be at the rate or something else. And immediately preceded by alphabets. Okay, how many acha, how many numbers are there? Sorry. How many numbers? That means let's say 7, which is immediately followed by symbols, that is at the rate and preceded by alphabets. Just like that. So at first 5. 5 is preceded by S but followed by D. So 5 is not our answer. Then 7. 7 is preceded by star, so no, not. 8 is preceded by 7, not. B. Sorry, 9. 9 is preceded by B. 9, non. Because there is followed by K. Then 6. 6 is preceded by at the rate. No, not. 2. 2 is preceded by star. So there is option number A. That means none. So this is the 5 questions. I think you got it. You got the 5 questions easily. I think I make you understand in the right way and in the uh, easiest way. Okay. So if there is any doubt, please ask me. Please uh, comment. Please comment, and I will make a video to make you understand. Just for today.